The three most important things about the retail business or the service business is service, service, service. We are completely dependent on the quality of service to continue seeing the patients that utilize our equipment. And in that regard, the single biggest and most important resource we have is our employee staff. We have close to 10,000 employees now, and the company has grown as much by the quality of the people that we've hired and brought in as much as we have by the investing that we make.
What it really comes down to is the personnel that we have in those facilities. Those are the people that see the patients every day that basically, are the front line of patients coming in that are very sick, patients that are very concerned, they're worried, they have, a high degree of anxiety, and the people that are seeing these patients in the frontline centers are the key to our success.
RadNet, while it's been around for 40 years or so, and I've been around longer than that, I think is just at the beginning of an explosion of value that we can help guide into the healthcare space.
Our tagline is leading radiology forward, and that's what we actually try and do every day. We're certainly the largest outpatient imaging provider in the United States today. We have over 360 outpatient centers through 7 core markets. We're going to perform over 9 million outpatient imaging procedures, and we've got 10,000 team members, over 800 radiologists. We invest a tremendous amount in our technology to make sure that if a patient's coming in, the equipment that we're using is industry leading. Perhaps the best example today is our investment in artificial intelligence, and particularly in screening for breast cancer and the unique enhanced breast cancer detection program that we've put in. There's nothing like it in the country. So we're leading the way, we're showing the industry how we can do these things.
RadNet is not only taking advantage of the artificial intelligence to diagnose earlier, but actually using it as a check against our radiologists and their interpretation. I think it is very exciting. I'm very proud of RadNet's commitment, both from an investment standpoint and a development standpoint in artificial intelligence. I think artificial intelligence is going to have an enormous impact, not only on healthcare, but just almost in every area of the economy.
Providing people access to care, and that's in all geographies, all cities, all cultures, is a very important aspect of what we do at RadNet. And I think all people deserve a certain level of health care, and that's just not the people that reside in the cities. That's the people in rural areas, rural marketplaces, people that may not have access to typically like mammography or other types of services.
So I think our message and our social responsibility goes well beyond the number of patients that we see in our centers, but it reverberates out into the communities that we serve when we're really trying to do the best we can for mankind and for our patients and for our population.